Australia Composite PMI rose to 55.5 in January from 51.0 in December, signaling expansion for a 16th month and hitting its joint highest level since April 2022, matched by August 2025. Services activity accelerated with the Services Business Activity Index at 56.0 versus 51.1. While the manufacturing PMI rose to 52.4 from 51.6 as goods and services new business both increased, with renewed overseas new orders for manufactured goods helping to drive the fastest expansion in overall new export orders in 3.5 years. Business sentiment remained positive and employment continued to rise as firms hired to manage workloads. Although the overall rate of jobs growth softened versus December, and outstanding workloads rose marginally for the first time in 9 months. Input cost inflation and selling price inflation softened from December, though rising manufacturing input prices were flagged as a risk for inflation to intensify again. This prompted markets to sharply lift bets for a 25 BP rate hike at the Reserve Bank's February 3 meeting, with the odds jumping to 54% from 27% before the data, and a hike now fully priced by May. Attention now turns to next week's December quarter inflation data, where a core inflation increase could push an earlier policy move. The Australian dollar strengthened to around $0.679 on Thursday, approaching a 16-month high,